Good morning, Indira Shah here. Yesterday I showed you how to make the stuffing or the purnam or the hurna for the steamed korkatai. Okay? Sorry. Today I'll just show you how to make the outer cover. This is the korkatai. This is the steamed korkatai. I'm using the store-bought flour. This is Anil store-bought flour. I'm using this. Okay. I have taken 2 cups of flour in this. So to this I'll take 4 glass of water. So if it is 1 glass of flour, 2 glass of water. I've greased the kadai. I'm taking 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let me boil this. Okay. Now the water is boiling. I've just added just a pinch of salt. Okay. Now add the dough slowly. It should not form a lump. Mix it thoroughly. I use copra oil for this because sometimes some rice flour takes little more water. So, to be on the safer side, always keep little hot water more, because if you feel the water is less, but double the water is always sufficient. See, I have taken 4 cups of water for 2 cups of flour. So this flour will be very soft, but you have to mix it well before without any lumps, and then let it cook for about 5 minutes. See, now it's 5 minutes of cooking. So let me just put it off and keep it covered. Okay, and we will allow this to cool. So the outer mavu, or the the outer skin for the steamed modak is ready. Okay. Here the outer cover is cool now. You have to knead it taking little coconut oil or any oil. Knead it well. Now grease your both the fingers and then take little and make a nice, press it, making a nice ball. Now see, you have to do like this. A cap. Okay. From the center, pull it up. Otherwise the center will remain thick. Okay. So now this puran whatever I had made, make a small ball, keep it here in the center. Now you have to cover this like this. If you think the puran is little, the ball is little big, make it small. Once you start doing, you will know. There shouldn't be any crack like this. Okay, it should be a nice ball. Yeah, I'll show you one more. And here I have kept the cooker for steaming. I have put water here at the bottom and I have kept this stand. Now start keeping here one by one, but this should be greased. Okay, now I'll show you one more. Here, now take the oil, knead it well with the two. palm. Now see, use this thumb. This should be as thin as possible. Now take this, keep it inside and cover like this. Grease your fingers. Push this inside and cover. You can stretch it. This floor is good. It's stretching well. Now again keep it for steaming. Steam this for about 20 minutes. Here I have kept it. Let me steam it for 20 minutes. Here this is cooked for 20 minutes. Let me just put it in a plate and show you. Here the sweet korakattai or the kadabu, sweet kadabu is ready after cooking for 20 minutes. This is Ganesh Chaturthi special. I think all of you can make it. This is very easy to make. You get a ready flour in the store. So buy the rice flour, ready rice flour for korakattai. So thank you very much for watching my channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like, share and the bell button for more notification. So thank you. Bye bye. This is Vitvela. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you.